can easily filter emails by sender. So if you look here, we have Pottery Barn. I can click the filter icon, and you have three options immediately on the left-hand side of this panel. You have the filter library, customizable filters, and then saved filters. With the filter library, we have a number of different categories and options for you to choose from. The most popular are on the front screen. You can click order updates and let's say discounts anything exceeding 40%. It's a very simple and easy to use functionality for you to streamline your organizational process. You can also create your own filters. Let's say for Pottery Barn, I'm only in the market for pillows, and I want to make sure that it has an and or statement of 40% off or more. You can see down here that the filter preview section actually updates in real time, showing you what emails would have been delivered should these settings have been on previously. You can also come down here and go to your save filter settings, and you can see other filters that you've created and reuse them at any time. Let's just go back to the filter library and turn these on, and you'll see here in your dashboard that it's now updated. You can now click here and confirm that you have order updates and discounts over 40% on for Pottery Barn.